Hello dear viewers, I hope you are doing well. At this present time, you may need to send your homework, assignment or any other document to your teachers or classmates. It's better to send them after making a single PDF file instead of sending multiple pictures. In this video, I will show you the proper way of how you can make PDF file from any type of pictures. As most of you use mobile phone, so I will tell you about one of the best app to make PDF file just by taking pictures of your documents or importing file from your gallery. So let's get started. Among some popular apps like Microsoft Office Lens, CamScanner, Small PDF, CamScanner is one of the best applications to work with your documents. The CamScanner app has some amazing features. Many online teachers have recommended this app. Let's see how we can do this. So if you do not have the CamScanner app, then go to Play Store and directly search CamScanner, and the first one is our desired application. Now just simply tap on the install button and complete the installation process like this. It won't take much time to install, but during this time, if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to see something different.
And if you have done this already, thank you very much, you are amazing.
Welcome to CamScanner. Skip them now. Here you will see register and sign in button. If it's your first time, you have to register just by giving your number and then verification code. Set a password so that you can access your files anytime if you uninstall the app in future. I have an account, so I will simply sign in by giving my number and password. So now we have CamScanner app ready to make PDF file. So we can make PDF file in two ways. One is just taking the pictures of a document, and another one is importing files from gallery. So let's try the first one. First, tap on the camera button. You will see many options, but we will need this one. And you can also see two buttons here. One is single mode for taking one picture, and another one is batch mode for taking multiple pictures one by one. So make sure you tap the batch mode, as we will add multiple pictures in our PDF file. Okay, I have one of my homework which I really had to do. Actually we all do. Anyway, let's scan few of them. Make sure you place them right way. Then take the picture one by one and maintain your page number. You can write page number before scanning. You can also scan a whole book if you need to share with someone. Now tap on photos. If you need any changes, you can do it here, like rotating the page or cropping them. It's very easy here. But the good thing of this app is CamScanner automatically crop the unwanted areas of your photos. Now tap on tick button. You will see a rename window. You may see the default name like CamScanner and the time, but if you need to give specific name like your ID or name, you can do this here. I am giving it test_my_ID. Then tap OK. It will take some time to process your photos. Now tap on PDF sign on the top right corner. Congratulations, your PDF is ready to send, or you can save it to your phone's memory. For this, tap on Save to Local. So that was the first way to make PDF file, but the second way is more easy. You may have to make PDF file from the pictures that you have captured earlier, or your friend have sent you in Messenger, WhatsApp or in any other media, and you need to make them in one file. So you have to import from gallery. So you can see here I have some pictures that I need to make
PDF file width. So I can select one by one like this way. Let's see that, yeah, this one and this one, so this way. But if you have so many pictures, you can do like this way. You can just scroll your fingers like this and it will select. So I have selected 10 pictures, so it will take time to process, just few seconds. You can see that it's processing because the cam scanner app is improvising your picture so that it looks crystal clear and looks like PDF. So let's see that everything is in right order. Yeah, I can see maybe something cropped here. Yeah, lesson 7. So you can fix them by your own, and it's automatic rotate, and you should select this one, magic color, because the other one is can be blurry or something, and black and white for. But if you have color text or anything you have that it's in color, so you can select magic color and then save. So let's go to back. So here you can see all the pictures processed, done. So you can change the name. If your teacher asked you that your file should be in that name, you can rename this like this way.
Then hit OK. We're almost done. But there are some important things to remember when you work with your documents. Number 1. Place your pages in right way when you take the picture. Number 2. Check all pages after processing and before saving the documents whether all pages cropped correctly and clear to read. Number 3. Check page number and rename the file name. Number 4. If your file size is too big to send, you can compress it. I will make another video on how you can reduce the PDF file size. If everything is okay, then tap on PDF icon. Your second PDF is also ready to save or share with others. Let me share with someone. Tap on share, then Gmail. Type your friend's name. Automatically it will take file name as subject. You can edit also. Finally, tap one send button and check the send box. If you need any other features or face any problem, or if you want to make PDF file using computer, then comment below or email me. I will try to make another video on them. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon. Share this video with your friends if they are facing problem to make PDF files.
Thank you very much.